Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud Platform, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Cloud Platform, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Platform website. If you already have a Google account, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and press Next to log into your account. If you don't have a Google account, click on Get Started for free. Follow the prompts to create a new Google account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Cloud Console. Click on the Project drop-down menu at the top of the page. Select New Project to create a fresh project. In the Project Setup window, enter a name for your project. Choose your organization if applicable, or select No Organization. Click Create to finalize the project setup. You will return to the dashboard, where your new project is now listed. Next, enable billing for your project. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Billing. If you haven't set up billing yet, click on Link a billing account. Follow the prompts to create a billing account if you don't have one. Provide your payment information and billing address as required. After setting up billing, return to the dashboard. Select APIs and Services on the left-hand menu. Click on Library to open the API library. Search for the APIs you want to activate for your project. Once you find an API, click on it, then click Enable to activate it. Repeat this process for any additional APIs you need. Next, navigate to the IAM and Admin section from the left menu. Click on Service Accounts. Here, you can create service accounts if needed for your project. Click on Create Service Account and provide the name and description. Assign roles to the service account based on your access needs. Finish the setup by clicking Done. Your Google Cloud Platform is now fully activated and set up. You are ready to make the most of the wide range of services available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.